I just love it. I use it on every single day, and believe me, after watching this video, you will love this too. Today I will share with you the top 4 features of this new Shark Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. And the last one is my favorite. Stay tuned till the end. Hi everyone, my name is Shreya. Welcome back to my channel Smiling Shreya. If you are looking for the ultimate hands-free cleaning solution, you are in the right place. Today I am reviewing the Shark Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a smart cleaning beast that promises to take floor care of to the next level. If you haven't seen my unboxing video yet, check it out first. Now let's dive into the top 4 standout features and see if it's really worth it. First up, let's talk about the game changer, the HEPA XL self-empty base. This one is awesome. The vacuum can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. So you don't have to worry about frequent emptying. To empty this dustbin, just press the button, slide out the bin, hold it over the trash, and all the junk will empty out. Plus, it captures 99.9% of allergens, making it a great pick for pet owners and allergy sufferers. What sets this Shark apart? It's not just a vacuum. It's a 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse. The powerful suction picks up dust and debris, while the sonic mopping function scrubs your floors at high speed for a truly deep clean. So whether you have carpets or hard floors, these ones got you covered. Only unfortunately it can't self-empty the dustbin with the attachment, but it's easy to manually clean out. Ever worry about a robot vacuum getting lost? Well, not with this one. The precision home mapping technology learns your space and customizes cleaning paths to avoid obstacles. You can even set no-go zones right from the app. Making cleaning effortless and smart. It also has a specific room cleaning feature. This is more useful on our everyday life. I use it to clean my kitchen every day after dinner time. And the other best part, no more dust bunnies hiding along the edges. The Clean Edge technology directs strong airflows to pull dirt from corners and baseboards, ensuring a spotless finish. It's all about those details. Unlike random or zigzag movements, the Shark Ultra uses matrix clean navigation, ensuring no spot is missed. It moves in precise back and forth and overlapping passes, giving your floors an ultra deep clean. Say goodbye to dirt hiding in corners. Bonus feature: customized zone cleaning. And this is my favorite feature. With the Shark app, you can tell the robot exactly where to clean. Whether it's just a kitchen after cooking or the entryway after a messy day. No need for a full house clean every time. Just tap the zone and the Shark Ultra will head straight there, making cleaning even more efficient and personalized. So, is the Shark 2-in-1 robot worth it? If you want a cleaning solution that's smart, powerful and effortless, this could be your best investment yet. Let me know in the comments, would you try this robot vacuum? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome reviews. See you in the next one. Bye bye.